Over 50 years ago, on April 22, 1970, 20 million Americans took to the streets to protest environmental destruction and to celebrate the wonders of planet Earth. The basic message was that we had to find new ways to live our lives, raise our food, and conduct our businesses that were environmentally friendly and sustainable, that would not waste resources or pollute the air, the water, or the soil. In the early 1970s, Biohumanetics and Mesa Verde Humates were independently formed to provide earth-friendly agricultural products and soil and wastewater bioremediation products. Our Huma Gro crop fertilizers and protection products were less harsh and more efficient so that soils could improve and fertilizers would not be leached into groundwater, lakes, and rivers. Our Huma Gro Turf products offered similar earth-friendly solutions for golf courses and other recreation areas. Our Probiotic Solutions products were created to clean up contaminated soils and water, particularly the wastewater from cities and industry. Mesa Verde Humates produce pure, unadulterated New Mexico humates mined straight from natural deposits created from millions of years of decayed plant residue. In 2017, Biohumanetics and Mesa Verde Humates merged to become one vertically integrated company with a joint commitment to producing nature-based solutions to growing human challenges. In 2018, we created a fully organic agriculture fertilizer line, Fertilgold Organics, that captured the efficiency and effectiveness of our Huma Gro products while using even more earth-friendly ingredients. On April 22nd, celebrate with us by doing something good for planet Earth. There are still enormous environmental challenges ahead, but there are also great opportunities. Plant a tree, pick up some trash, conserve water, use nature-based products to grow food and cleanse water. Do whatever you can to celebrate the anniversary of this important movement. Make your little corner of the planet a better place for everyone. Huma Gro, Huma Gro Turf, Mesa Verde Humates, Probiotic Solutions, and Fertilgold Organics. Nature-based, effective, versatile, sustainable, and clean.